So, it's the 1st of January. It's a new year. You may have had a New Year's resolution. You may not have had a New Year's resolution. Is it going to be a new you this year? And I'm going to talk about in terms of discipline and in general, but mostly your study. Is it going to be a new year? Is this going to be the year where you actually lock in, you actually do well in your academics, you actually make yourself proud, make your parents proud? It shouldn't even be about your parents. Make yourself proud, do what you say you're going to do, learn how to study easily, effectively, and properly. Is this the year? I hope it is. I hope it for your sake. I hope it for my sake, because I actually care about my audience and I care about you guys. I talk to a lot of you in DMs. I talk to a lot of you. Obviously, I haven't been active recently, but I will be more active and I'll be in the comments. So if you have a question, ask me. I'll answer your questions on here. Is this going to be the year you start trying? Now, it is not hard. And this is going to be a short video because I want to post every day. I just wanted to post a quick video saying Happy New Year. I hope you had a great year last year. I hope this year's even better for you. I hope we grow together, and I hope you watch my videos and I can help you with your studies. You can have me on in the background when you're on your way to school, when you're on your way home from school, when you're in the gym. Just put my videos on, just listen to it in the background when you're studying, even maybe probably not when you're studying, but just so I can help you out, because I want to be on this journey with you and I want to help you achieve the ATAR of your dreams. It doesn't need to be a 99, it just needs to be the ATAR that you want. It's more than ATARs, and if you're going to go into uni after school, it's for that as well. I want to set you up for that. I want to set you up for uni and good work ethic for that. So then you take a good work ethic and good systems into your job, and you can actually get promotions because you have a good work ethic and you have good qualifications. Like this is where it starts. Do you want to, whatever part of your life that you may have said, new year, new me, is it a new you? Has it started now? It needs to, right? You need to start committing to yourself. And the best way I can help you do that is by teaching you how to study. First and foremost, I hope this is the year that you get onto Anki, you get onto past papers, you get onto the traffic light system if you're not already, and you really work. You work with me, you let me help you, and I hope to see you inside Elite Achievers eventually once we get Elite Achievers back up and running in the next couple of days. About the 5th of Jan, we'll be back up and running with all the mentors coming back. I'll be doing a massive video talking about what's coming to Elite Achievers, and I hope this is the year that I see you inside. I just wanted to make this quick video and post. Just a Happy New Year to everyone, and to challenge you guys to make this the best year academically. Whether you just graduated and are going into uni, I can help you. Whether you are going into year 12, massive year for you. Going into year 11, very big. Year 10, set yourself up. Year 9, year 8, year 7, just because you want to do well. Maybe you're doing accelerated. You want to make yourself proud. You want to make your parents proud. I don't know what it is. Let this be the year where you do well. Now, there's a big stigma about New Year's and New Year's resolutions, especially like it's so much effort. It isn't. If you let me help you with this study, it's very easy. It'll be very easy for you to get onto a proper study system and you'll be able to easily kill it. So I just wanted to hop on and quickly make a video to say Happy New Year. And I hope this year is a new year. I hope this new year is a new you in terms of your study and you can reach new heights. And together, if you subscribe to this channel, turn notifications on, and follow me on Instagram, and also hopefully I can see you inside Elite Achievers this year, then we can grow together. So other than that, Happy New Year, and I will see you in my further videos.